Hi my friends, did your roller stop working? Well, no need to buy a new one, you can fix it yourself. First I went online and found the replacement part. Then all you need is a screwdriver and maybe pliers. Using my Phillips head screwdriver, I'm going to remove the outer two screws only. Now remove the cap, but be careful. Oh, I was not prepared for that, so let me clean this up real quick. Now I'm going to remove the broken piece from the top and grab my new piece and place the rubber seal into the groove. Now put the new piece into the top. Grab your roller and make sure to remove the old broken shaft piece. Use pliers if needed. The last thing I did was reinstall the cover along with the screws. And it's back, just like new. No need to waste your money and buy a new roller. Just buy a new piece.